So in my last video, I did a quick capture or a dialing in of the Joe Bonamassa tone that he used on the 2025 Grammy stage. He had an ODS amp, which is from Fuchs Audio, a local New Jersey amp maker here, which I'm a Jersey person myself. I'm proud of that moment, Grammy moment. But the capture is really good. It's up on my Helix, and what I want to do with the Hotone is to capture that particular preset. Turning off the delay and reverb, of course. Just capture that particular preset into this and see how close it sounds to the original that I did create with the Line 6 Helix Native here, which is my go-to plugin when it comes to creating guitar tones and experimental guitar tones. Most of my guitar tones are actually from the Helix Native and then exported to either the Port Express, mirroring that, or go to my HX Stomp or my main Helix when I still had it. But without talking too much, let's go straight to the tone catch. And this might probably demonstrate how that whole tone catch process works for most people that want to kind of have that set up in their setup, if that makes sense. Okay, so the first thing is to make sure you have an output from your DAW. For me, I have a very complicated setup, simple yet complicated setup. I have multiple outputs, which you can see them here. There are about 10 of them. 8 actually. This is an 8 output out, which means I get to play around with them. Why I have this much output is because I have a 32 in and 32 out audio interface, because I reamp and send out mixes and all that good stuff. So it's always good to have that. Not the best, neatest setup, but it works for me. So what I'm going to do is have one of that outputs coming into this like it's an amp from my DAW. And if you have a smaller audio interface, maybe you have like a 4 output audio interface like this Evo 4 or a Focusrite or anything, they're going to have line out, your speaker out. You're just going to utilize that for your amp out from your audio interface to your capture, to your Hotone Ampero stomp or whichever one you're using, and you can actually capture. I've seen a lot of people do this, but I don't really see any video online into how that is done, so I think I just make one. Yeah, it's right here on my screen, and I'm just gonna click on tone catch and catch that particular tone that I have on my audio interface or on my DAW here, or my plugin, whatever. The first thing you want to do on your Hotone Ampero is just click on settings. Okay, click on settings, and you're going to go to tone catch, and it's going to have all this layout for you, which is pretty explanatory, very simple. The first thing you want to do is to send into your audio interface, and I already have a cable here that's going to send. So click send to your amp, sent to the target input device, and then connect the output to target device to input R. So this is the output coming from my audio interface. So that is going to go into Ampero input R. Good. Just got to remember those numbers. And this is my inputs on my audio interface. I'm not sure which one this is, so I'm just gonna tap and check and do like kind of line check. This is 5. All right, so do a line check on my end, and this will be going to five. All right. Okay, so that's good. So from my amp, that's gonna be going to input R and then send. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. And then you want to connect your guitar to the left mono. I have a cable here for my guitar as well. Sorry for the terrible camera work though. But so that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I have this is the output to my audio interface, and this is the input the output from the audio interface into the Hotone, and this is the, you know, yeah, that. Once you've mastered the input and the outputs, your output from your audio interface goes to your input here, and your output here goes to your input of your audio interface. It's pretty simple, and then you connect your guitar to do a quick line level check and all that stuff, and you get to actually listen to what the guitar sounds like with the audio from your plugin here before you catch, so you can actually dial it into that perfect level that you want your tone to be at, right? So let's go back to the Hotone catch here. So the old catching process makes this weird noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's actually faster. I think this is the fastest I've seen. And correct, it's not corrected, but I think the other actually this fast. So depending on how many outputs you have, it might be a little bit complicated. Mine was a little bit complicated because I have multiple outputs. I have to make sure I have the gain all set correctly and all that good stuff. So if you just have like a 4 output channel audio interface, you be good. Or you have just 2 outputs, your chances of making any mistake are quite low compared to myself that I had of like 32 outputs. So I just had to do the routing on my end. But I could actually just make it a little bit simpler and just using a different audio interface and just do the capture. But you know what? I don't like to dismantle things. I just like to leave things the way they are. So yeah, the capture is almost done. It's like 83% right now. So we're going to be able to compare what this one sounds like and what that one sounds like in a few seconds. So basically, overall, it sounds very identical, and you can barely tell the difference between both, either the capture or the original plugin itself. So overall, I did notice some EQ changes, the capture being a little bit darker than the original, but again, nothing you cannot fix. It's not a huge deal breaker that you cannot fix with a little EQ. And overall, I think it's another good catch for me. It might be different what you get with a real amp, but this sounds identical to what the plugin sounds like. So you gotta get used to like gain staging and all that good stuff to get the best out of your tone. But overall, it's not a bad capture. So I'll make it available in the link below. You can get it from my Gumroad page. I don't know why that is a tongue twister. But thank you for listening to me rant and capturing these. And if you want more of this, any pedal or any capture that you want, let me know in the comment, and I'll see if I can get that on the road for you guys. Peace out.